Hi, my name is Heidi Casteel Bearden. I'm a teacher at Wilson Elementary School in Montgomery, Alabama, and I use Define Learning all the time. I love it so much. Um, I don't even have one specific activity that we've done that I can just say this one was so amazing because they all are. We've done a lot. Currently, we are in the middle of starting a garden, in which I just finished filling out a donor's choose. So hopefully, we can get that funded and we can keep moving forward with our garden. Um, all of this through Define Learning, of course, and we have done so many activities. We've baked cakes from scratch. We've made slime. We've um, built a food truck out of a giant cardboard box. It has been so much fun. My kids are so engaged. They are also doing all these activities with exactly what they need that goes along with our state standards. And it has been a blast. They have a blast. I have a blast. They're doing a lot of critical thinking, a lot of hands on learning. They are working together in groups. And from the beginning of us doing this until now, which has been about 2 years, their ability to work in a group has grown tremendously. It has been so much fun. I can't say enough good things about what we're doing with Define Learning, and I can't wait to show you some of the stuff that we've done because it has been great. So we hope you think of us as part of your Define Learning family, and we can't wait to hear from you guys.